are cutting the banana and plantains. Please don't.
Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. This particular topic, we have treated it in one of my contents, but many farmers are still asking questions because of the high costs of farm machineries, feed processing machineries and equipment. Many farmers that want to make use of these plantain and banana stems cannot afford it. So they are asking, what else can we do since we can't afford the costs of purchasing this threshing or slicing machine to cut the banana and plantain stems into smaller units that can be easier for them to use. In this particular content, please, if you're a small scale farmer, I think you are going to benefit a lot from this, because I'm going to guide you on how you can manually use your kitchen knife or machete or whatever means you can to cut this, slice it into smaller units and make use of it. And at the same time, I will also give you different feed formula for broiler starter, broiler finisher. I also give you super starter feed that will give you a maximum weight within 6 weeks of rearing broilers. So I will advise you to relax. Make sure you watch this particular content till the end so that you get the best. Here I'm going to guide you on the benefit of using banana and plantain stem in making your poultry feed. At the end, the next topic will be feed formulation using banana and plantain stem. That's why it is going to be on a series. So make sure you don't mix any of them. And I will make sure you get the best from it. The use of unconventional feed ingredients such as plantain and banana stem in broiler feed formulation has gained popularity in recent years. These agricultural byproducts, often considered as waste, are rich in essential nutrients that can enhance poultry growth and reduces feed costs. The inclusion of plantain and banana stems in your feed provides broilers with a natural and cost-effective source of minerals, vitamins, fiber, and energy, thereby improving overall health and productivity of your poultry and livestock animals. What are the nutritional value of banana and plantain stem that will make it a valuable product for your poultry? One is minerals. It has potassium. Both banana and plantain stems are rich in potassium, which is crucial for maintaining fluid balance, muscle function, and nerve signaling in broilers. It has calcium, supports bone development and eggshell formation. It promotes strong skeletal growth in broilers and other poultry and livestock animals. It has magnesium, which plays a very important role in energy metabolism, bone structure, and muscle function. It has phosphorus also, which is essential for energy production and proper bone development in broilers. It has iron, which contributes to the production of red blood cells and hemoglobin, improving oxygen transport in the blood. It has vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, it has folate and others. Vitamin A supports eye health, immune function, and skin integrity. It has vitamin C. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system and enhances collagen formation, which supports tissue repair in broilers and other animals. It has vitamin B6, which is pyridoxine, which is important for protein metabolism and the formation of neurotransmitters. It has folate, which assists in DNA synthesis and red blood cells production, supporting overall growth of your broiler and other poultry birds. The protein content of this particular banana and plantain stem is relatively low, in less than 5%, but still contribute to the overall amino acid profile in broiler feed, supporting muscle growth and development. The energy in banana and plantain stems provide a moderate source of carbohydrates serving as an energy source for broilers throughout their lifespan. Though the energy is very fat and the fat also is very fat, the stems are also high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and nutrient absorption. The fiber content contains very good quality fiber that helps in digestion system, which promotes the gut health and at the same time nutrient absorption. The fat in banana and plantain stems is minimal, less than 3%, but they contribute also to a lean diet for broilers, which is ideal for meat production. Plantain and banana stems are valuable alternative feed ingredients in broiler production, offering a range of essential nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. While the protein and fat content may be low compared to traditional feed ingredients, the inclusion of these stems help reduce feeding costs and support the overall health or the growth of your broilers throughout their lifetime. It also provides very rich vitamins and mineral profiles. So incorporating plantain and banana stem as a farmer into your broiler feed formulation is an effective strategy for enhancing poultry nutrition while utilizing agricultural byproducts. These stems contribute to improved growth, performance, and immune health, and at the same time digestive efficiency in broilers. By integrating them into their feed, farmers can optimize production costs and promote sustainable farming practices without compromising the nutritional quality need for your broiler development. So with this particular banana and plantain stems, you are making use of valuable products that will enhance your production, reduce the cost of running the business, and at the same time increase your profit without affecting the quality of the products you are getting. Thank you for watching this. Now let's go into how you can make use of these banana and plantain stems in your farm. When you don't have any machine, you can manually do it. At the end, please make sure you watch the next video loading that will teach you how to make use of them in formulating different feed for broilers: super starter, starter, and finisher. It is a series. Please don't go away. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to reach more farmers. As you are sharing this video, you are helping more farmers to grow. And remember, in poultry and livestock farming, you can't grow alone. You can't produce the chickens and at the same time eat the chickens. You can't produce the chicken when no one is providing the feed for you. And if you provide the feed, you manufacture the feed, someone will be there rearing the chicken that will buy the feed from you. Have you seen that this is a chain business that we need to encourage one another and at the same time move one another forward? That's why I always encourage you to share this video to reach more farmers. Don't go away and let's go there. I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I cut it from this particular point. So watch the next video loading how you can process plantain and banana stem when you don't have the machineries loading up there. Watch it now.